TensorFlow, does Tf.Image.Resize still not align corners? I was reading this blog post in HackerNoon about how TensorFlow's Tf.Image.Resize_area function is not reflection equivariant. So if I was going to resize an image in some data augmentation step, that this might really mess up the model training. The author goes on to say that users should not use any of the Tf.Image.Resize functions, because of potentially unpredictable behavior. The article is from Jan 2018, so not that long ago. I actually checked the article's comments section, and no one has mentioned that the problems were fixed. I was just wondering if these problems are still true and what the workaround is. Any changes in subsequent versions of TensorFlow? Like, can I use Tf.Keras augmentation functions instead to avoid these problems?
After I originally read the HackerNoon article that you've referenced, I also came across this article which provides a nice summary of the different implementations of bilinear interpolation across OpenCV, Tf.X and some other DL frameworks. I couldn't find anything on this in the Tf 2.0 docs, so I have reproduced the example given in that article to test the bilinear interpolation in 2.0. When I run the following code using TensorFlow 2.0, the test passes, so it looks like moving to Tf 2.0 will provide you with an implementation of bilinear interpolation that matches the OpenCV implementation, and therefore addresses the issues raised in the HackerNoon article.
Well, I tested Tf.Resize on a real image and I can't get the same image. So be prepared to try different libraries based on your training results. See details here.
I just ran across this question and did some testing myself using an image similar to that used in the HackerNoon article. You can find a short notebook here with my findings. As of TFV 2.3.1 it seems the pixel shifting has been fixed, but the interpolation is still quite different, for example coloring, compared to PIL or scikit image.
In TensorFlow there is dedicated argument for align_corners. You can check the doc here. Here is a demo code.
Thanks for watching.